Bad day, guys. Kind of dropped it. Some chips.
Did you just say your stomach is falling? Yes. Can I use the PlayStation? On YouTube Shorts, I hear that voice. I watch it. Can I use the PlayStation?
Yes. Please. Look, we got some food snacks. Don't move the camera. Food snacks. Is it hold it real quick? Okay. Musa eats. Musa hunts. Musa eats. Musa hunts. Musa eats. Musa hunts. Musa eats. Musa hunts.
I like to move it.
I want it. I like to move it.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
Hold the camera towards me.
Guys, so guys,
I'm gonna eat a food snack, and my brother's gonna show you around. So go show around.
Yeah.
The house.
So guys, you know, at school I watched the so first of all we went to the aquarium one day, and then second of all we went to school. I went to school and then I saw the show, the Madagascar show. It's Madagascar. Madagascar. Madagascar.
How do you know?
Because I know how to pronounce it.
Madagascar. Madagascar.
You know, I think Madagascar is like something.
Yeah, it's a show.
Daddy?
Anyways,
Is Madagascar something in New York?
No, Madagascar is a country off the southern coast of Africa.
Oh. Madagascar?
I watched the show of Madagascar.
Yo, let's see if there's no Spy X Family.
Can you watch regular show?
Yo, huh?
Can you watch regular show after this?
Guess what? There's a new Spy X Family episode coming out. Up at 11:30. Yo, better get ready.
Oh yeah, guys. This video's gonna be called a TV video.
What? Wait, no, I gotta do it.
TV video.
Daddy, look. All right, you ready? Look really quickly, okay? Because I'm gonna try to make this girl's hair. Not that girl. Not that girl. I'm trying to make this. I'm trying to make this girl's hair, and it's really easy. First, you have to split it in two.
Oh yeah, this gonna be called a
Then
TV
you
video.
cross it.
We haven't even set the TV.
Then you.
Yeah, because we're gonna be watching
Yeah,
TV.
whatever.
No, we're not. I'm
yes,
gonna
we
try
are.
to make
Name it
the
TV.
classic.
Bro, that doesn't make no sense.
The classic.
It's pretty cool, but it doesn't make no sense.
She would take. Mommy would take the money. And I bought this dog. He had his art supply. And it's like, and you have to and it's like it comes with, it's like a dog hair for hair.
Huh? The sauce?
I'm gonna try to make. Daddy, what's the sauce? I'm
We're
gonna
gonna be
try
called
to
TV
make
video. My sister's watching the video. Oh. Look, my sister's watching the TV. And then can you watch regular show now?
No,
Huh?
I'm gonna try to make this good hair.
Okay.
Bless you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I think I'm allergic to alcohol.
I want to make you a lecture.
Or the ginger ale. Either one of the two, I'm allergic to one of them.
It is support yay.
Oh,
It
it's gonna
is support yay. I tried support yay before.
I'm gonna restart from episode 1 because I forgot. Is that what I see?
Is that Flash?
Is that what I see? Whoa. It's a natural disaster on Hulu.
Yeah, watch it.
Daddy, guess what?
Hold on, guys, I'm coming.
I found this movie about natural disasters. I found this movie that's about earthquake that hit Los Angeles.
Can you watch it?
No, wait.
Aww.
Earthquakes, yeah.
Dang it.
Dang it. Okay, when my sister's done doing her stuff, we're gonna watch regular show, guys.
That's anime.
Guys, when my sister's done watching regular show, when my sister's done watching regular show, when my sister's done doing her stuff, we're gonna watch regular show.
You don't see the one of Sailor Moon has like 92 episodes?
I agree.
So that means that means all the episodes. That means
I love Sailor Moon. No, you don't. Yes, I do.
In total, they have.
Are you talking about Bleach? Oh yeah, Bleach. That's Sailor Moon. I like Sailor Moon and Bleach and Naruto.
You don't like Sailor Moon?
That's what I said. I do like Sailor Moon.
No, you don't. You always say she's so girly, she's so ugly.
Yeah, much. You can make this and finish it.
You just said Sailor Moon. No! Michael just said Sailor Moon is kind of hot. But she is. Daddy, you heard that?
Yeah. She's not hot because the moon is cold.
She is pretty though.
Actually, she's not hot because I can't even see her in the moon. Got this way, and this has to be finished. I'm gonna go check the clock.
It's 10:30. No, it's 10:01.
Yeah, but on my clock it says 10:30. Guys, this is the end of the video. Next time I'll make a TV video, but it's going to be called a TV video.
Yeah.
Bye. See you later.